Welcome to Easy Go Guide. My name is Anup Chandran and today we are going to see why do we procrastinate. Before we proceed, let me tell you that YouTube is a great platform and the creators are working real hard to help you, entertain you. And as a viewer, the best support that you can give is by clicking on the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon. This way, you will be notified about upcoming videos. Also hit the like button if you genuinely like the video and don't forget to share. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing something. Today, we will understand why do we procrastinate through an interview with Sam. So let's begin. Hello Sam, welcome to the procrastination interview.
Thank you.
Please introduce yourself because people don't know you.
My name is Sam and I am your inner self who deserve to get more attention.
What, according to you, is the toughest task?
There are a lot of tasks out of which I feel getting up in the morning at 4 a.m.
Okay, suppose you have a road trip tomorrow at 4 in the morning for which you are very excited. So now would you be able to wake up?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose someone has put a criminal charge on you. The summons has asked you to be present in the court at 9 a.m. And the court is like 3 hours away from your place. So now would you wake up at 4 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, so when exactly is it difficult for you?
I have a goal of becoming fit, for which I want to wake up early in the morning at around 4 a.m. and do yoga. But every day I snooze the alarm till a point it is late enough for me to feel guilty.
Okay. So what was different in the previous two scenarios?
There I did not have a choice and here I do.
Also, in the scenarios that I mentioned, there were some feelings attached to the activity of getting up early in the morning. For example, in the road trip scenario, there was a feeling of excitement in it. And the court scenario, there was a feeling of fear. But when it comes to your current situation, there is no feelings attached to it. It is just like a wishful thought that doesn't have an appropriate time frame. What if we find a way to associate these feelings with your goals? But for that, you really need to be very honest with yourself. If you are able to commit to yourself that if you're not gonna wake up at 4 in the morning, you will throw or give away 100 rupees to anyone on the street. Or if you are a challenge-loving person, then give yourself a challenge that you need to finish before 5 a.m. Maybe in yoga or workout. And every day, try to raise the challenge bar. This way, your mind will stop procrastinating and you will feel a sense of contentment. If the Sam in you is going through this problem of procrastination, then it means your goal is not strong enough or there is no emotions attached to it. So follow the steps mentioned here and pick up a cudgel to give a hard hit on the butt of procrastination. If you have any more ideas of fighting procrastination, please do comment and let me know. And if you want to find me, I'm also available on Instagram. Thank you.